Papa ke ana mos. Video ibitsamba. Scoop making session.
Yeah, you get it, huh?
Macha. Njani bayisangoma kona?
Oh, uba isangoma kumnandi.
Nyan.
Hayi kumnandi. Senza che parla qui. Pushing up. Hey!
So let's scoop ba mosenza kanje last time isikhathi singakanani? How many years?
It's last 4 years.
Mhm.
Yes.
So nazo zosiphahlelo uyazenza nje usibethele nje. Usishape nje waye.
Wona zeba nyasiphahlela ngizenza.
Thokoza babo.
Asiphathi le.
Thokoza.
Ipata amazi.
Thokoza babo.
Ipata amazi. Donza kwa. Ipatiyani?
Ama dlozi.
Angeke.
Thokoza babo.
Yeah. Lawa ama-guitar wethu, lawa ama-drums wethu. That's our bass beats, our tweeters. You get the trick.
Thokoza babo.
Angeke.
Thokoza babo.
Yes.
So abantu abadala bebazenzela lezi zinto.
That's right.
Okay.
Before they bazenza ngamakotikoti.
Thokoza babo.
Manje zenza ngama-ray angeke.
Thokoza babo. So hosigubhu macha ma ushaya isigubhu umuntu egida kusuka idlozi liyavuka kugida idlozi nawe o ugida nje based on your own experience.
Yabona according to mina.
Thokoza baba.
Bakushintsha isigubhu hold into eziyi-2 at the same time.
Thokoza baba.
Hold the pain. Khuluma usebenza kanti wenza kanjani? Hold joy.
Thokoza baba. Thokoza baba.
Kodwa kusuke kuyijoy yamakhehla.
Thokoza baba.
Yayizwa leyo.
Thokoza baba.
Kusuke kuyiphini yamakhehla.
Thokoza baba.
Mina nje ngi-invite-iwe ngani ngomzimba wami kuphela.
Thokoza baba.
Wena uzocontributor nje phela ngomzimba.
Umzimba. Thokoza baba. Okay.
Rest kuyazenza.
Thokoza baba. So baba mawugida nje idlozi takes over ne?
Playing the drums, invites.
Thokoza baba.
Your whole being invites your inner spiritualistics. You get it?
Thokoza baba.
It invites heavens and earth, like it connects to the soul.
Thokoza
Like the
baba.
connection to the soul. And it
Thokoza baba.
yes.
Come.
You don't just dance for a purpose.
Thokoza baba. So nethi kungwashaywa nje for the sake of
to celebrate, to dance, to acknowledge. Do you get it?
Thokoza baba.
Yes. To make the ancestors happy. Do you get it?
Thokoza baba.
Yes.
Thokoza baba.
That's when.
So why sigida ngamanyawo barefoot? Because you get people they dance hip hop nan ngamateki and abanye ba
Barefoot because now in the olden days they didn't have shoes. You see now.
Thokoza
They
baba.
used to walk barefoot. You get it?
Thokoza baba.
Now the reason being sigita ke ngenyawo. bona bebashaya ama-instruments wabo bahambe barefoot and futhi nje bangagqokanga nje
Thokoza baba.
bagqoka isikhumba nje ngaphansi angithi
Thokoza baba.
so now yonke lento leqhamuka lapha ngithi
Thokoza baba.
qhamuka ekuthenini bona bebayenza so now siyayiqhubekisa leyo nto leyo.
Thokoza baba. Thokoza baba.
Le nto le kumele uyenze ngothanda uyenze nje kumele uyenze.
Thokoza baba. Thokoza baba.
It doesn't work like that.
Thokoza baba.
This our instruments. The instruments tsa rona tse re tsamaisa ka metlhala matsatsi. When I'm sad, I'll play the drum. When I'm happy, I'll play the drums. You get it?
Thokoza baba.
Yes. We meditate with drums.
Thokoza baba. Okay. So awudlali nje isigubhu because kunomgidi or kumnandi in the instance.
Shower nje emgidini. Ngisho nasekhaya shaya isigubhu phela.
Thokoza baba.
Ngesikhathi before uzophasa. Yashaya isigubhu uthi yena ngimbiza ngengoma.
Thokoza baba.
That's why babiza isangoma mngoma ngoba siphila ngengoma.
Thokoza baba.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So you need to understand.
Okay.
Things do evolve. Do you get it?
Thokoza baba.
Come in. Oh, hello guys.
Okay, mama.
Mama ka go sneak park.
Ah, okay.
O bua go sneak park again.
Oh, ne ke re maybe ke tla mo thola.
Ha yena dula
Batho ke batla mo bona desperately yana.
o dula go sneak park.